Good morning, traders. I am Stephen Davis, Senior Market Strategist, RJO Futures. Friday, May 31st, here to talk to you about the grain markets. Okay, the end of the month here, and got a little bit of selling here. Markets are a little bit lower. I'm going to show you the corn and the bean charts. They both got triple tops here, but it's not about technical analysis. It's about, this is the wettest spring we've ever had in the history of our market. So, last Monday, Illinois corn planting was 35% completed. So usually we're about 95%. So the Illinois corn farmer really struggling to get planting corn here. And the function of this corn market is to trade to higher prices and get the U.S. farmer to complete planting corn here in the month of June. So far it's doing a pretty good job. Volumes just exploding here. I noticed July corn the other day traded 400,000 contracts. Someday it'll be 500,000 contracts, someday soon. And someday it'll be 1 million contracts in the front month of corn here. And the reason that this is because it can. And funds, managed funds, they had record short positions. Now don't rule out that they could have big, massive, long positions here, as this is one of the we've never gone through this before in the history of our market. So things are going to be volatile for the next month. We won't know the acreage of corn till the June 30th crop report. So look for volatility here to continue. Again, the corn chart got triple tops here, so backing and filling is definitely order. Some of the prices that I've come up with here, July corn at 450 and December corn at 460. So we're getting close to these levels here, and we'll see about that. Demand seems to be construed here a little bit overnight. President Trump slapping tariffs on Mexico. Mexico's the biggest corn buyer in our market, so not a good development here for demand. We've got to get this taken care of. Ethanol's struggling. Ethanol plants are shutting down, so that's a big demand driver for corn. So not a good time for ethanol here and ethanol plants. And so the next chart, soybeans, you can see kind of a 1, 2, 3 top here too. Soybeans show some leadership this week, and the reason that is there's still a very big short position in soybean. So as this wet weather continues, soybeans can rally back on short covering. Certainly the U.S. farmer has a lot of time to plant soybean if and when it dries out, so we'll keep talking about that. Monday night, look for kind of corn progress, maybe 65% complete. That's going to be a big number. Sunday night, weather's going to set the tone here. The maps, they do look wet going into the month of June, and if it keeps raining and stays wet, probably have higher prices here in the row crops. And lastly, the wheat market. There's no gap on this wheat chart here. Wheat showed some leadership to this wet weather. The wheat market doesn't like that, so we'll keep talking about that. And wrapping this up, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Everybody have an excellent weekend.